Friday, June 7th. Just got off work, gonna go hit the gym, and what I really want to do is go to the river and just eat food. I just want to eat lunch, look out the river, look out the water. You know what I'm saying? Dude. NYPD, man. I might go out tonight, so that's fun, right? A friend of mine works at a bar, so we might be going to that, right? That might be fun. I got this Hartley Italian brandy, so let's try. It was only $5, so it might be really bad, but this, a drink and looking out, how much better can I get, right? Cheers. For $5, it's actually really good. Really smooth, not bitter, doesn't burn. Hartley, highly recommend now. Yeah, no, I'd rate it a 9 out of 10, 100%. I have anything planned for tomorrow? No. But I'll figure something out. Yeah, I'll figure something out.
In my head, I paint a picture. Since I come home, and my body's that mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Oh, why don't you come on over, Valerie?
It's June 8th. I think I'm just gonna film every intro on this balcony. Like, it's so cool. Look at this. Like, I just like coming up here and just sitting here, you know? Jack is in town, so we're gonna see him. He's in town for Gov Ball. So Jay Wills is making an appearance for the second time in these videos. Beautiful ass Saturday in New York City, baby. Let's go.
Jack, I've been in these vlogs before.
That's what I said earlier.
Fun fact, this is my first time in New York in like 7 or 8 years, and I'm liking it.
Good stuff, man.
It's pretty cool.
My name is Caroline. I've been homies with Jack since high school. And my fun fact is that I love eating like lemons.
What? Like, what aspect?
Eating the slice.
Like, you're waking up and just like, let me get a lemon
No, but
this
like
morning?
if I have a lemon slice, like on a drink, I'm
Oh, okay, okay.
Yep, look at old drizzle there.
Guess how much it costs? $20. What'd you expect, right? That's interesting. The cheese is like weird ass bites.
Oh my god.
Right?
That's crazy.
It's good?
Crazy good.
It looks really good.
Cute.
It's like fluffy.
Oh yeah.
Butter's good. Strawberry adds the sweetness. It's a solid size. He was not wrong. It's good stuff. French toast rating, I'd probably rate it like a 8.7 out of 10. What'd you rate it?
9.
I didn't taste the salad, but you want to rate the salad? A 10? How's it going? Thank you. And a full of your water bottle. Thank you. All right, Jack and Caroline just left. I'm now back at home. What do I gotta do? I'm gonna go to the water later, for sure. I said I was gonna do it yesterday, I didn't. I'm doing it today. But I'm home now, I'm gonna do some work. I'll see you guys in a little bit then. See what we do.
I love
See
you,
what we do. All right, it's currently 7 o'clock. We're going to this place called Berlin Döner. It's like a Turkish restaurant, and I think I can get like a sandwich or something. And then I'm probably just gonna bring it to the water. Like I said, I wasn't able to go to the water yesterday and eat my dinner, so we're gonna do that now. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's good. And then look. Oh my god. I got the lamb and beef doner. It's like their sandwich on like pita bread. So let's give it a try, right?
Yeah, the picnic is down here.
I'd probably give it like an 8.7 out of 10. It's really good. I think you could have used more sauce. It's also, the meat's a little cold, but there is a lot of meat. And it is really good. It's beef and lamb, so it's double. The vegetables are good. Pita bread's warm. It's good stuff. It is good stuff. So I'm probably just gonna eat this here, and then, I don't know, we'll walk around. That's Sunday, June 8th. I'm gonna go home, watch hockey, and I gotta pack because I leave early tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you.